Hello. It's one of those like Monday type of Tuesdays. Feels like a Monday because yesterday was kind of like a weekend feel. So today was my big Monday clean, but it was on Tuesday. But anyway, Jenna took the little ones on a long walk up the driveway to the garden, and I was able to go upstairs and vacuum and just clean. It's amazing what I can do whenever I have two hands. Like, I always walk around either like this with baby like strapped to me, or I'm like holding her and I have one hand to clean with, which I make do with, but it's very very efficient when I have two hands and I can just like storm through and get stuff done. So that's what I did today. Last night I finished the summer resource that I was talking about. I was talking about it a few weeks ago, how I wanted to make like some type of reading system to encourage the kids to read, to limit tablet time, all that. And so I finished that last night, and I'll share that in a little bit. And I will also share how we are using it in our home to encourage reading, to encourage like creative play, basically to make this summer where they don't lose a bunch of all of that great knowledge that they learned throughout school, and they just like keep their minds going and learning. And I wanted to like incentivize it and make it feel fun and like something they wanted to do, like the younger kids, rather than it feel forced. Like in previous summers where I'm like, you're going to read for 30 minutes. Everybody, we're reading right now, go. This way, I'm not doing that. It's like part of the system, and they're going to want to read. So in my mind, this is how it's going to work. So I'll let you know if it really works this way. But there's like incentives to make it fun and make them want to read, because they get fun things at the end. They can turn their reading bucks in. So hopefully it works in real life how it works in my mind, how I think it's going to work. This evening we have a bunch of baseball, softball, t-ball games, and it might get rained out because I bet the fields are already wet, and I think we're getting more rain today. So we'll see if it actually happens. And that's really all that's going on today. I'm just going to try to do a little cleaning. Baby's sleeping. Bo's about to take his nap. And then I'm going to give the kids all one chore, and we're all going to work together. Everybody does one thing. It's amazing what can get done. So that's how I kind of do summer. Is I still do my cleaning schedule, but I also have the kids do like one thing to help. And it's like easy stuff. But when we all work together, it all gets done. So anyway, hope everyone's having a wonderful day. This is what happens when your older sister gives you hand-me-downs. You end up with a pink rain jacket, but that's okay. We don't care. It still works the same. Yeah, you have dinosaurs on your shirt. That's right.
You have tractors on your pants.
Oh yeah. What do dinosaurs say? What's behind? Oh, there's Cora. It looks like you're ready for t-ball.
No.
Gotta do your hair. That's right. But that's okay. What do dinosaurs say? Baseball tonight. Yep. If it doesn't get rained out, it might get rained out. What do dinosaurs say?
Tractor.
Tractor, tractor.
No, they say roar.
Let's take a walk to the shop and check on the farm animals. Go check on the animals?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Did you hear a tractor?
Yeah. I thought it was self. I didn't check.
So hold hands. Okay.
Go see bunnies. Don't go see bunnies. Cute it is. This one's a crazy. And it was like.
Sure.
Who's right?
So I'm going to give a tour of the office. This is a room that is meant to be kind of a more stately room that we don't really use too often, but I love how we had the ceilings done in here, kind of a grid, and we had it done in like walnut color, and we have the floor that has a neat little pattern on it. The floor is going like horizontal, and then it has like a border. So we did a few extra touches in here. I had custom bookshelves made, and custom curtains. This room is just kind of a nice place for us to store books and things that we've accumulated throughout the years, and just kind of a holding place for that. That's the view from the office, and the kids like to come in here and put like fishing poles and their little knickknacks too. We have a shelf for Benny's little turtle shells and wasp nests and things like that that he has gotten out. Cora.
I can't go to the room.
All right, you want to show me another one?
Yeah.
Okay. You're funny. What else you got?
Nah.
You make a lot of funny videos. That was kind of boring. Are you going to dance in that one? That's fun. That one's funny.
Hold up.
I was trying to dance a little bit, isn't it? Yeah, Benny. You're
Yeah. Yes.
Go, Ben!
Go, Ben, go, Ben!
I can't see, honey. Cheer for me, go.
Let's go, Ben! Go, Benny, run! Good job! Good job, Ben!
Oh, Benny.
Bo, say good job, Ben!
Yay! Where'd he go? Peekaboo. Where's Bo? Peekaboo. We're staying dry, aren't we? Where's Bo?
Hello.
Peekaboo.
Give it about 3 years, we're going to have 12 inches.
Go, Ben.
Fire! No fire, Stacy, no fire!
Get him, Bo. Ben?
It's my home run ball I hit.
That is so cool. Let me see it. It's all muddy too. You'll have to sign it. You know you're supposed to sign home run balls? You can sign your name to it when we get home. That's so awesome.